Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an epic showdown between two treadmills that will revolutionize your home workouts.
On the left, we have the UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill, and on the right, we have the UMAY Walking Pad Treadmill.
Get ready for some serious comparisons, controversial opinions, and of course, plenty of laughs. Let the battle begin.
Let's kick things off with the price. The UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill comes in at $369, while the UMAY Walking Pad Treadmill is priced at $249.
Now folks, I'm no mathematician, but that's a $120 difference.
Next up, let's talk about the motor. The UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill boasts a powerful 3.0 HP brushless motor.
It's like having a mini rocket engine under your feet.
With speeds of up to 8.7 miles per hour, you'll be zooming through your workouts. Now let's dive into the features. The UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill comes with built-in handrail heart sensors to monitor your pulse rate in real time.
It's like having a personal fitness coach right there with you, cheering you on.
Let's talk about portability, folks. The UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill comes with a hydraulic system for safe and hands-free unfolding. No more worries about scuffing your floors. And with the built-in transportation wheels, moving it around is a breeze.
Last but not least, let's talk about warranties. The UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill offers a generous 5-year warranty for the frame and a 1-year warranty for parts. That's some serious peace of mind.
The UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill takes the crown for its powerful motor, heart sensors, and impressive warranty.
But hey, if you're on a budget and need something compact, the UMAY Walking Pad Treadmill is a solid choice too. And there you have it, folks.
The UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill and the UMAY Walking Pad Treadmill have battled it out, and it's time to crown a winner. The UMAY Fitness Home Folding Treadmill takes the crown for its powerful motor, heart sensors, and impressive warranty.
But hey, if you're on a budget and need something compact, the UMAY Walking Pad Treadmill is a solid choice too. Remember, it's all about finding the right fit for your needs.
Thanks for joining us on Buy Smart.
Stay tuned for more epic comparisons, and remember, always buy smart.